You can earn $2,450 for free. Very easy work with no skills. Yeah, this is the Make Money Online opportunity that I am going to reveal in this video. That is going to be really awesome and very easy. You can earn definitely some good amount of money every month without any problem. So just before I show you that, hi, this is Jazz from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so how you can earn $2,450 or more or less without any skills and very easy work you can just follow this video step by step instructions I will give you and you are good to go to earn money. So the site we are going to show in this video is called Kickstar.co. Yes, this is Kickstar.co. This is a really good site. There is a Instagram service providing service site that grow Instagram accounts very organic way and professional and safe way. Yeah, this is the Instagram follower app, follower tool that they promise to get real Instagram followers using their powerful growth tool. So they don't spam, no fake followers, no bots, just pure organic growth powered by their cutting edge artificial intelligence technology. So this is a really cool app, cool tool that is really safe to use if you are an Instagram user and want to grow your account. Definitely this is a really cool site. They are featured on Forbes, Huffington Post, Entrepreneur and big media like this. So this is a really professional site that is going to definitely increase your Instagram follower. But what we can do with Instagram followers, we can earn money using their sites. Yes, we are not going to get Instagram followers from Kickstar. We are earning money from Kickstar.com. But how? You can just scroll down and you can see, you can read through their process, read through their tools, how they work, how they increase your Instagram followers. It's better for you, but we are need to earn money with this. So just scroll down below and if you are see that there is an affiliate sections. Yes, if you just click on it, it will show something like this, affiliate money. So wait, you do not need to be a professional marketer for earning money in these websites. You do not need to mass promote anything. I'm going to show you an easy and simple way. Just you can spend couple of hours or couple of minutes every day even if you want, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month without any problem, without any hard work. It's easy work and no skills required. So believe me, this is easy money. You just have to follow this video. So if I go over to their affiliate sections, this is their affiliate page. You can make money with Kickstar. You just click on sign up and it will show a simple sign up form like this, and you can see that they are paying 50% commissions on every sale. So if you just scroll down and you can see that affiliate programs highlights there, and you can see that they have 50% commissions. So this is really awesome. You can earn 50% of what the customers pay. So this is really high paying affiliate site that is going to make you good amount of money. And other features like this is 45 days cookie lifespan. So this is really easy. If you just promote an user, he just go through your affiliate link and it will stay in their device for 45 days, and in that amount of time, if they rethink of joining into these websites, you will get commissions for that without any problem. So they pay 100% timely manner. They send monthly newsletters about many new features, and they have some bonus and extra monthly commission features. And you can see that you can access to dedicated affiliate management team, so that if you need any promotion help, if you need any tips, you can contact them and you can get help from there. If you just scroll down, you can see that they have some frequently asked questions about their affiliate program and some reviews you can read and for your satisfactions. But if I just scroll down, how much can I earn in commissions? So if you just invite one person to your affiliate link, you will get 50% commissions, and plus they include bonus commissions, and that is like 10% if you just get 5 persons to go through their link and get subscriptions from them. If you bring 10 people, you will get 20% bonus for that. So ultimately you can earn 70% commissions from the payment the customers paid to Kickstarter. So this is really cool. If the customers pay $100, you will get $70 for commissions. So this is really high paying affiliate sites that is easy. And if you just go over to their pricing sections, if I just click on pricing, you can see that how much you can earn at least from this website. So if I just go over to their pricing sections, their standard plan, they have 3 plans: standard plan, premium plan, and boost plan. So in the standard plan is $49 per month, premium plan is $99. If you just invite anyone, they can purchase any plan. The bigger plans they get, you will earn bigger money. But if I just take $49, so you will get, for 50% commissions, you will get $24.5 every persons that buy these subscriptions. So if you just get 5 persons, 5 to 10 persons every day, that is very easy. Even 5% every day, you can reach 100 people. You can get 100 referrals every month without any problem. So $24.5 per referral, you will get like $2,450 every month just by simply spending some hours or minutes every day without any problem. How you can promote this affiliate link so that you can get some decent amount of money every month without any problems. So if you are liking this video, before I show you that, please press the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you can always stay with my channel with my new videos every day. So let's move on to the method. We are using google.com. Yes, we are using google.com, and we just search for businesses here. Yeah, we are looking for businesses around the world. So if I just go over to United States, and if I just search for like bars in Baltimore, you can see I just pick a city like Baltimore and I just search for bars in Baltimore. You can target any business around the world. You can target any city, any business. It's opportunities, sky is the limit. You can do anything. Just for example, I search for bars in Baltimore and scroll down, and if I just click on view all, it will show all the bars in Baltimore around that city. You can see that, and this is the list we need to work on. So we just go through all these businesses, and just if you just click on any business, it will show something like this box, and it will have a website. If they have a website, there will be a website button. So if I just go over, I picked this, the oil bar, and I just pick this website. If I just click on it, it will load their websites, and this is their websites. And every business nowadays have some social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So this is we are looking for. We just go over this list in Google and go over to their websites, and if I just scroll down, you can see that there here there's their social media account links. They have Facebook and Instagram as well. So you can find it in the top sections or in the bottom sections, but definitely you will find, most of the time you will find social media accounts of those businesses. So if I just, we are looking for Instagram account, so if I go over to their Instagram page, it will show something like this. So this is an perfect example for this method to work with. So if you just go over to this list over there, and you can see that these business and this business owner have an Instagram account, and they have 2000 followers. So this is really cool. This is very important tips. We are looking for Instagram accounts for businesses that has less than 10,000 followers. So these are our targets. Yes, businesses having more than 10,000 followers have no interest on this type of offers of Kickstarter. So we are looking for businesses that are really growing up, then starting out, and they really need some kickstarts to grow their Instagram account really fast, so that they can get more customers and more sales. So we are looking for followers less than 10,000. So this is a perfect example. You can just contact them. You can just contact them by their website, by their email, by their phone, or by their Facebook profiles. Contact them anyway by Instagram, and let them know that you can get hundreds of followers without any problem. You can just go over to Kickstarter, and they also, if you just scroll down to their payment sections, it is showing that 14 days money back. Yes, this is the feature that will everyone will love. And you can say to this owner of Instagram account holder that you can just try for 2 weeks just to see that it will can grow your Instagram account or not, and it can grow your sales or not. In just 14 days, they are going to really interested to buy this subscription plan, and that's it. I'm sure this guy will be very amazed with the result, because Kickstarter is very professional, and it will definitely deliver some results, and definitely these persons will stay with Kickstarter from there, and it will grow their account and grow their sales. So you invite these persons to Kickstarter get money for that, and then these persons gets followers and customers, and they have more sales, and you get commissions from Kickstarter. So everywhere it's a win-win situations, and you will get lots of targeted, hugely targeted. You do not need to spam anything. You do not need to mass marketing. You do not need to invest any money. It's a just free targeted process, targeted way. Just go over to Google Map and just find businesses around the world. You can target any business. Everyone has Instagram account right now, and you just target these guys like this who have less than 10,000 followers, and these type of people or businesses are really want to invest money, and this is our target customers that we can bring to Kickstarter, and we get commissions for that. So this is, guys, you can earn even more. $2,450 is, it's just a minimum. You can earn even more money. You can invite thousands of peoples every month. Very easy. You can see that you just put your time, spend some times, and you get real targeted followers, 5 to 10 customers daily. It's a very easy work and no skills required. All it is required is to be active, and money will follow you. So this is, guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.